वाह। हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। मैं हूँ रोशनी और आप सबका स्वागत है मेरे ब्यूटी चैनल में। मेरा एक व्लॉगिंग चैनल भी है बाय द वे। तो आज के वीडियो के लिए मैं लेके आई हूँ क्यूट कोरियन मेकअप फाइंड फ्रॉम मीशो। आई वाज स्टन्ड आफ्टर गोइंग थ्रू ऑल ऑफ दिस प्रोडक्ट्स। मैंने सब यूज़ कर लिया है। मैं बस यहाँ पे आई हूँ आपको बताने के लिए कि इज इट वर्थ इट और नॉट। वैसे तो सबके सब थोड़े बहुत वर्थ इट हैं, बट ज़्यादा देर न करते हुए चलते हैं सीधा इस वीडियो की तरफ। दिस ट्रेंड इज गोइंग सो वायरल, फाइंडिंग डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स फ्रॉम मीशो, एंड आई वॉज लीस्ट एक्सपेक्टिंग इट कि सारे प्रोडक्ट्स काम करेंगे एंड द रिजल्ट्स विल बी गुड। फर्स्ट प्रोडक्ट दैट आई गॉट इज दिस ब्लरिंग पॉट। देखो कितना क्यूट है। आई एब्सोल्युटली लव द पैकेजिंग एंड this is what it looks like. The color looks absolutely pretty and the wand is also very nice when you apply the lipstick or lip gloss, whatever you can say. Also the smell is very subtle. I mean अगर आपको smells पसंद नहीं है but this one would work. I don't mind having fragrance in my products, but अगर जब तक वो subtle हो. So this is what it looks like. I'll give you a swatch. I'll take some product from here and look how pretty this looks, right? But जब मैंने इसको अपने में ट्राई किया है, this is this burnt orange red which I absolutely hate, क्योंकि जो प्रोडक्ट मैंने मंगवाया था the color was not looking like this. I was expecting this color, but again ये कुछ ऐसा निकला. It's a pretty product if you apply it with your hand. थोड़ा उसको लेके you blur it out, then this works. Otherwise I don't know, this mostly worked out for me but also did not. इसके proper reviews आपको मेरे Instagram पे मिल जाएंगे, and if you don't follow me you can find all of my links and handles in the description box below and also product details. But then yeah, सिवाय cute packaging के इसमें मुझे उतना कुछ खास नहीं लगा. Maybe there are few other products in Meesho जो इसकी तरह दिखते हैं. I can try it out from there, but this one is a okayish one. लाइट धीरे धीरे जा रही है तो मैं कोशिश करूँगी कि वीडियो जल्दी बने. नाउ डू यू सी दिस ग्लो? ऑयली फेस का ग्लो नहीं है, इस हाइलाइटर का कमाल है. लुक एट दिस मून हाइलाइटर गाइज, इट इज सो प्रिटी एंड द पैकेजिंग इज सो क्यूट. एंड गाइज आई वॉज नॉट एक्सपेक्टिंग इट टू बी दिस क्यूट. इसके बहुत सारे कलर्स भी अवेलेबल हैं. आई विल गिव quick swatch to you what I'm talking about. Just look. Now the highlighter is not chunky and it blends in beautifully on your skin, giving this inner within glow. I will highly recommend this one. Not only cute packaging but the product is amazing with the price they're offering, and इसमें कोई भी स्मेल नहीं है. नो चंकी पार्टिकल्स ऑफ ग्लिटर, जस्ट ब्यूटिफुल. आई मीन एज अ मेकअप आर्टिस्ट मैं इसको अपने वैनिटी किट में तो ज़रूर रखूँगी एंड अप्लाई इट ऑन माई क्लाइंट्स बिकॉज इट्स अ प्रॉपर मून. आई मीन what? And the reason I got this is because I love galaxy. I love everything that is star. I love moon. The concept of moon, and I just love it. And ऊपर से purple packaging में है ये. What else can you expect from this? I absolutely love this. Okay, so the next one is a 3-in-1 eyeshadow, but it is written blusher and highlighter. I don't know why, but this is basically an eyeshadow. मुझे जो लगता है, because I don't see it can be used as a blush or a highlighter. I mean highlighter it can be, I don't know. The shades are very pretty. The first one is this very goldeny rose gold wala shade. The second you get is this pink eyeshadow, and the third one ये actually थोड़ा सा टूटा हुआ आया था. And the third one is this beautiful pink shade, and all of them are very pigmented. I'm sorry about the background noises. पास में ही गर्ल्स हॉस्टल है एंड अभी शायद स्कूल की छुट्टी हुई है तो शायद आपको थोड़े बहुत नॉइजेस आए और बारिश होने वाली है तो so where should I swatch it? Over here. Look how pretty is the pigment. I mean, this glides on like butter. The eyeshadow glides on like butter and I absolutely love this. I've applied it on my eyes as you can see on the screen, and I mean, oh my god, I love the first shade. And no, these products do not have any kind of smell, and the packaging is also cute. You get a little mirror over here, which is not that convenient, but then again, this works. This works. I mean, it's so pretty, and obviously you can use it as a highlighter. Blush के लिए it's too pink for my preference, but my god, and for the price they're offering this, love it, love it, love it. मैंने जब इसको पहली बार मंगवाया था, all of the 3 shades were broken. मैंने ये exchange में मंगवाया, and तीसरा वाला भी थोड़ा बहुत टूटा हुआ निकला, but then again it works. So yeah, this is a 10 on 10 from me. So the third product is again a liquid glitter eyeshadow that I have applied right now. Just look at it. So pretty and so subtle, right? बारिश होने वाली है. And the eyeshadow I'm talking about is this one. Just look at the packaging. So beautiful, and इसके भी काफ़ी सारे shades आते हैं, but I got the lavender one because I love lavender, and I have to say this is one of the cutest eyeshadow glitter I own, and इसका wand is something like this, very cute and very nice. I'll swatch it here. Just look. It's very lightweight and gives a very subtle glow, perfect for every day. It settles very well in your eyes without creasing. Just give it a little time. Obviously, इसको थोड़ा टाइम लगता है सेटल होने में, but I guess for the price, it's amazing. Quantity is amazing, and this does not have any kind of smell. It's very subtle, very subtle. I mean, subtle का भी subtle. So I would definitely recommend this one. You guys, you can just apply it anywhere. Like I can take this, apply it on my lips. Looks very pretty. I do not understand this Labubu trend. I mean, it's ugly but it's cute. It's cute because उसके reels काफ़ी ज़्यादा मेरे reels section में अभी suggest हो रहे हैं, and I like it. I kind of like it. But उसकी जगह अगर तुम मुझे क्यूट की चेन वाले टेडी बेयर्स गिफ्ट कर दो तो मैं तो बहुत ज़्यादा खुश होंगी. This is the next product, guys. It's a pack of 6 cute little teddy lipstick keychain. I mean, wow. So this is what it looks like. The packaging is very nice. I'll show you one of my favorite shades from this. So this is the brown one that I have applied right now, but उसके ऊपर obviously मैंने glitter लगा दिया है, and when I open this is what it looks with the wand. But एक छोटा सा कॉन है. The smell, oh my god, I cannot. If you just cannot handle a strong fragrance of a lipstick, I'll definitely say no for this. But मैंने जैसे जैसे लगा लिया, and I love the formula of it, but this smell is too strong, and but it's a very good gifting option. Packaging is very cute, perfect for gifting until and unless जिसको भी आप दे रहे हो उसको fragrance से दिक्कत ना हो. The only complaint is that, and the lipstick is so comfortable. It's been 2 hours I'm wearing it, and it's transfer proof. My god, I absolutely love this. Anyway, that was it, all of the products. Oh, also they come in 6 beautiful shades of brown and शायद कुछ pinks, but I absolutely love the range. इसमें भी काफ़ी घोटाला हुआ था जब मैंने इसको मंगवाया था. जब पहली बार मैंने इसको मंगवाया उसमें सिर्फ 4 है, फिर दोबारा जब उसको मैंने रिटर्न करके फिर से मंगवाया सिर्फ 5 है. फिर जब मैंने फाइनली एक दूसरे सेलर से उसको मंगवाया मेरे पास 6 के 6 आए. दिस वॉज इट गाइज, अ क्विक हॉल of the Korean products I got. If you want me to try out something more, just give me the link in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.